the ideal trade here would be if I can get a quick flush into the black magic here on the 60, right? Which is, let me get this down there, which is right there. I would prefer that quick flush down into 40. If we get that, then I'm definitely taking it. So okay, I got filled this on the first one. If I can get 40 here, I'm gonna get full size. Got paid, boys. All right, so the combo strike, the one I got down there at 40, just effing ripped. I sold half of that one, just got paid, got my stop. Now that I paid myself on that one, I've got my stop break even on that one. So I got a hell of an average on that anyway. So anyway, I just paid myself. I got a combo on here. So that stopped me out flat on the strike, the winner, and then I still have the combo on. So I'm looking to take profits again up into this area. I've already paid myself with the one strike. I think I'm gonna peel off another 3 here. So, okay, so I paid myself a little bit there. Look at all this size up here though. I mean, look at the size up here. It's gonna take a lot of buying up here to get through this 60 area. Hell yeah, baby, let's go right through it. Come on, one more time. If I get 72, I'm gonna take profit. I'm gonna get down to a couple of contracts here. If we get up into 72.
Order filled.
Good profits there. Nice explosive move. We're not quite to 72, but you know, nice explosive move. I just want to pay myself there. Nailed that shit. Now I'm looking for I'm looking for another trade. I'm looking for another way to get back in this with some size, you know? So I'm gonna let this 5-minute candle close. If we can get a pullback into 60, bet your ass I'm getting me some of that. Give me
order filled.
I just got filled on a stupid fishing order. $3. I'm up $3 the second I heard order filled.
Order filled.
I've already paid myself well there on that, but the 70s that I just added, you know, the question is, do I even want to be in these, right? And so I got my finger on the trigger. If we don't reclaim this pretty quick here, I'm just going to get out and I'll be down to one strike.
Order filled.
Nice. So I went ahead and paid myself there. Pay myself. Now I'm in a really good spot here. Everything I have now is RTZ going into the Fed. So now that I paid myself there, I don't have to touch anything else, and I can, you know, hold this RTZ going into the Fed. So completely stress-free now.